Unlock the full potential of Higgsfield AI without spending a dime. €1. Let's dive into how you can access unlimited details and features completely for free. First, head over to the Higgsfield AI website. €1. The official page is your starting point for all things free. New users often get a free trial period, allowing access to premium features. €1. Make sure you sign up to see if you're eligible. Next, explore their pricing page for any ongoing promotional offers or discounts. Sometimes, Higgsfield AI runs special campaigns that provide extended free access or feature unlocks for a limited time. Join the Higgsfield AI community forum as a goldmine for tips and tricks. €1. Often, experienced users share strategies or even get access to beta programs that provide free access to new features. Look for tutorials or guides on efficient credit usage. Understanding how to get the most out of your free credits means you can achieve more with less, effectively extending your free access. Keep an eye on your email and the Higgsfield AI social media channels for announcements. They often announce contests, giveaways, or partnership programs that can grant you free access or extended trial periods. By combining these strategies, €1 free trials, promo offers, community resources, and efficient credit use, €1 you can unlock the full power of Higgsfield AI without ever reaching for your wallet. Now go explore and create.